Hello guys, how are you? I hope you'll be fine. So today our topic is the power of online dropshipping. Earn money from home. So let's start our video. So dropshipping is one of the hottest and most lucrative online business to start in 2024. It is easy and almost free to set up profitable dropshipping business. You can have to create an e-commerce store, source products from an e-commerce market for your websites, and start promoting them on social media and search engines. Getting fully managed e-commerce hosting with Cloudways is the easy part, but finding the best profitable products to dropship can be tricky. Identify niche with low competition and high search volume, or capitalizing on trend products that sell like hotcakes for a certain period can be time consuming. So in this video we'll share with you 45 plus best dropshipping products that can win you in dropshipping. So let's start. Here's the table of content. What is dropshipping? What type of dropshipping products sell more? How to find winning dropshipping products in 2024? What is choose for dropshipping niche or trend? Some top trending dropshipping niche. List of best dropshipping products to sell in 2024. What is dropshipping? Dropshipping is e-commerce model that sellers offers the products online without holding inventory, orders, or fulfillment, and shipped by third-party providers. So it's popular for its easy setup and sourcing of niche products. According to dropshipping.com, the industry is projected to be worth $500 million by 2027. And however, it's highly competitive with this small profit margins. Don't worry, we will help you find the most profitable products so you can maximize your profits. So what type of dropshipping products sell more? Dropshipping can leverage the various buying behavior, including the impulsive buying, but it's not limited to it. Successful products can also meet specific needs or solve problems. So successful dropshipping is plus effective products presentation, competitive pricing, plus trending or valuable product. You need to make your product presentation attractive and ensure the competitive pricing and appealing. The presentation will catch the audience eyes and revealing a competitive price and help seal and deal. For example, a highly relevant ad or even a short video on platform like TikTok can be enough to capture attention and encourage the purchase. So thinking about what to dropship. Some of the best selling dropshipping product type are useful products under $10 and product they are difficult to find everywhere else. Life improvement product like air or prefer. These can command higher price of these offer significance. So using the searches can help you identify and your products that are suited for a successful dropshipping business. So next we have how to find the winning dropshipping product in 2024. If you wish to make product selection higher and simpler, we have to checklist to set up to help you find and the best dropshipping products to sell in 2024, such as Amazon, AliExpress, or I'd say for the niche you have selected for your store. Identify what products are the best sellers under each niche by looking at the number of items sold. And next we have the double check of the popularity of those products on Google Trends. Pick out the ones that are high in demand and you will have a product list ready for your store. So you can find winning products in dropshipping on product find platform available online. So these will help you in increase searching for the best item for dropshipping. Some of them are following Product Mafia, Paxta and Thrive, Product Search Lab, trending products to sell, Shopify dropshipping. And next we have these websites provide all the details that our dropshipping needs to market their products. And make of these websites also have their forums or Facebook communities. Here dropshippers you can easily discuss the results of their products companies, and if they need more guidance from the others they can get that too for a small fee. Once you know what to sell, it might be wise to look into upselling techniques as well to learn the how to of selling. For example, if you are selling a yoga mat after a discounted bundle with a matching yoga block and strap, this strategy encourage a customer to buy more, increasing your leverage orders value. So what to choose for dropshipping, niche or trends? As both. For beginners, it's often best to test multiple products and the similarity to see how focusing the lay on hot products may not able be the most effective strategy. Maintain a balance between trending products and niche items. As you start making sales, you can refine your selection based on customer feedback and market trends. So I hope you understand. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.